It's alive! The Jeep Wagoneer Limited lives. Been 20 plus years since this bad boy's ran. And we just had to give it a little TLC. And she's alive again. New cap, new rotor, new plug wires, new coil, new brain box. What else do we do? Not much. New fuel line, fuel filter. And yeah. It's been a long time. Sounds pretty good. Look at that hair blowing. That's good ventilation. We're about ready to go take it for a test drive. Just around the parking lot here. We're going to top off the fluid if we can find some one more time here. And see what we can do. Yeah, dude, this sucker's alive. Hell yeah. Right on, dude. Looks good. All right, we're gonna find out here in a minute. It's been 20 years since this thing has ran. Last registered 2004, 2024. Yeah. So far looking good. We got no leaks. No leaks. We had to replace the fuel line. It was the old Roddy one. It was all busted.
Transmission filter gasket.
Yeah, trans gasket. That's it. There you go. See all rotted and busted, leaking on us. And new plug wires. Distributor, all that fun jazz. Yeah, sounds pretty good. I will turn the idle back down now that we don't need it idling up no more. Right on. Cool, let's check some fluids here and then maybe take her for a drive. Alright guys, we got the fuel topped off. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, she's moving backwards. Give her up over the bump. Oh, here we go. There, oh, cool. First time 24. Yeah, she's smoking a little. Might need some oil rings. But hey, we put a head gasket in the can in there and we'll see what happens. How's your brakes?
I got no steering.
Oh, no steering?
Oh, it's good.
I don't know if the power steering's out. Let's pop the hood real fast. Check the power steering. Okay, we pulled it out of the shop and we gotta check power steering. We got no power steering. I don't even hear the pump whining. Ah, what's going on here? We got fluid?
Yeah? No? Don't know.
She's dry, buddy. We need some power steering fluid. Shit.
Okay.
I don't think I have any. Power steering fluid. Use approved fluid. You know what's the. Well, damn, we got fluid. Otherwise, it probably work. Shouldn't run it dry. Right. Shut her off for a sec. We got some Presto. All right, Presto saves the day. Okay.
Don't look like it's gonna take much.
No, it shouldn't take too much.
Well, maybe. It's pretty
low, yeah. Look at your level on your stick there, and we can see what we need. Yeah, it was pretty low, also. We gotta see what's going on here, guys. Oh. Probably not. Probably not. We're gonna find out. Any?
No.
There's more. Where's the hot? Careful.
That's warm.
Give her some more, Jimmy. Oh, it's thirsty. It needed all its vitals. This is the one vital we forgot to check. Always check your fluids. I forgot power steering. Of course, I'm manual steering, and I always don't even worry about it. But hey, on most modern rides, you got power steering.
It's up to the point it says add.
Okay, one's cold and one's hot. What does that say?
That's the cold one.
Okay, add to the cold.
It says it's good if it was cold.
Okay, then yeah, if it's cold, then we're good. Put the lid on, and hopefully we got no leakies here. I don't see it. Don't look oily or nothing. Just might have been low. Let's find out. I'll watch it while you fire it up.
No, it needs more.
Needs more? Okay.
Because it's hot.
It's hot.
Engine's hot. Fluid's not exactly hot yet.
Uh-huh. Looks good out in the sunlight, man. You give this thing a buff job, it'd be pretty cool. Yes, sir. I think so. So that's what's nice about Idaho. We don't have that salt water. We got dry, humid air. It don't rust too bad. This body's nice and clean. We're there now?
Yeah.
Sweet. So, road test time. Let's do this. Let's do this. Here, I'll fire it up. Make sure we're not leaky, though. We gotta make sure we got no leaks. Turn it one way or the other? Go the other way. Now you got fluid. Okay, we got steering. No squirty squirt. Okay, we're good. We're shutting the hood. Alrighty. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna go for a quick drive. Okay. Yeah. Camping in the Jeep in. Figure out how. Right? He's got to figure out how to work everything. I don't need any headliner, but hey.
This is awesome. Dude, look
oh,
at this.
look, it still works.
The automatic seat still
the motor
works.
still works, bro. Oh, that's killer. Is mine automatic? Mine's automatic too.
Oh, is that lock?
Oh, mine don't work though. Oh, wait. Dude, I had movement. We got forward. We got back.
No way.
We don't have forward or backwards, but we got up and down.
Oh, I got up and down. No way. It works.
Oh, I got forward now. Yeah. It's all working. Hell yeah. Oh, it's hot in these Jeeps. My window don't down. Does yours go down?
It goes down to like there and then kind of gets stuck.
Cool. Temperatures, that's good. That's good enough. Just get some airflow in here.
Right. Got your wing open.
Yeah,
nice.
wings open. We're moving.
Dude, it works.
Dude, this is cool.
Wow.
We're cruising, man. Just go around the block. See if we make it around the block. Traffic. Always got to wait for the damn traffic, man. 24 years about to hit the road for the first time. Here we go. Oh, we're heading out. You're in drive, or do you got a manual? Oh, it's a manual.
It's drive.
Oh, you have a drive? Okay, cool. Because you got what, 1 through 5 on this thing.
I don't know if the blinker works on it or not.
That's okay. That's okay.
Sounds like it works.
We're going. Does it feel like it's shifting? Oh, was that a shift? That felt like a shift. Feels pretty good. Everything's feeling okay.
Like, what does that sound?
Oh, I know everything's near. Yep. Speedometer works. Speedometer works.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Sweet. Keep going. See if we get another shift.
Oil pressure is good.
Everything's still good.
Temperature's staying pretty good.
Pretty good. Yeah. We're cruising right along.
Dude, no.
Hey, hell yeah.
Sad out there.
24 years and it's freaking rolling. Rolling pretty nice. Mirror drive, cool, yeah. But it does have 5 years.
No, that is thrown on extra.
Oh, that's
This is an aftermarket. My grandpa threw on there. The other one I can't see here.
Makes sense.
Somewhere. There it is. There's the old one.
Oh, that's the original. That was throwing me off. I'm like, well, that's like a 3 on the 5 on the G.
Yeah,
dude.
what is that?
Yeah, that's crazy. Hell yeah. Freaking smooth rider, actually. Good, easy. Yep, just seeing how tight it feels. Let go of the wheel.
It's actually pretty. You can feel the weight behind it.
Oh yeah, it's a heavy vehicle. Nice. Well, we made it our first mile. The first mile in the limited Wagoneer.
Dude, the power windows still work.
Oh wow, cool. Your power mirrors work.
Or mirrors. Sorry, not windows. Mirrors. Yeah.
Oh, that one don't work. Oh, it does a little bit.
Might need.
Okay, we got no, we got nobody. Cool. Just go that way. Felt like it downshifted back into first. That's cool. Radio don't work, but hey, that's okay. Push for on, push for off. No.
I haven't even tried.
Oh, wait.
Maybe?
Oh, that's a shift. That was a shift. What are we up to?
45.
45.
It's 50.
50. You got the speed limit. We're cruising along at 50. Hell yeah.
Dude, it's actually
Dude, you're not leaving no smoke trail or nothing, dude. Clear out a little bit, set those rings again. You know that? Right on, dude. I think you might be driving this sooner than you think, bro.
Right?
I can register this bad boy and get it insured, and yeah, you got you a nice. I bet this would be a lot more reliable than Subi. And if not, you got a backup.
For sure, this thing's like a tank, man. It'll do good this winter.
Oh, for sure. For winter, we don't just need some tires. That's the only shitty thing. We need tires.
True that. And I got the original rims.
Throw them on. Those are worth a lot of money. But we're good. Yeah, temperature's staying pretty good. Yeah, oil pressure's good. Shit, take it one more mile.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do two. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mile journey. Try a little 7 mile track here. See if we make it 7 miles. It's a good lucky number. I think so. Hell yeah.
This good camping rig.
No, dude, like, yeah. You can do whatever you want to. You got so much room back here, dude. And it rides way smoother than your Subaru. You're like, I dig it. Hell yeah.
That didn't take much to get going either.
No,
Just a little.
really.
And like 2 days worth of cleaning it out. It was full of weeds and junk and
No, it's actually, look at that interior for freaking how old it sat out with the one window down. This window down here. You can see why we got the knife sticking in there holding
needs a
it.
new front window, but
New
other
front
than that,
window,
the
yeah.
windows
Little
all the way
headlight.
around are pretty good.
No.
And I wondered,
Oh, nice.
our rear window.
Yep. Careful. Yep. Nope. Not working.
Okay,
That's
so
okay. Trans tunnel. Oh, here's our turn up here. Trans tunnel feels good. It's not getting too hot, so that's a good sign. Brakes. Yeah, brakes feel good. Hell yeah, dude.
the lights blinking, so it should
maybe
be.
it's working. We'll have to get out and check it. This is like straight roadkill, man. Good trade for the drone. You built a drone, traded his dad
Yep.
for this Jeep, man. This thing's awesome.
Traded a drone, some goggles, battery charger. Yep.
What year is it? 60.
What's that?
67? 69?
The Jeep. This is an 83.
Oh, 83. Yeah, I was off. Way off. 83. And there was only a limited production of these ones produced, like 250,000 or something like that. Not even that.
Dude, not even that.
Not
Only
even that.
9,000 some of them were made this year. That was the limited.
That's right, 9,000. So this is a pretty rare Jeep here, man. This is a nice find. It's in great shape. That's why Jeep reholds its freaking awesome shape, actually, dude. You do some like carpet cleaning in here, and that would be really pimp.
I think it's only like $600 for a new
New
carpet
kit, yeah. Wear this one out if you're gonna do a little camping and driving in it and stuff.
And the front window, it's like $430 something.
Right.
For a brand new window.
$1,000 this thing look kit. Look count.
Oh,
Okay, $2,000. 1,000 interior, 1,000 at tires.
Throw the tires.
And this thing, and a buff job. I say you buff the patina and keep it. If you're gonna keep this, buff it and keep it. Even if you sell it, I'd probably sell more with the patina all buffed out versus
just leave it.
yeah,
Leave it. Give it some.
Scotch Brite it and then seal it again with the Sleek patina or Poppy's patina. One of those two.
Surprisingly, all the roof rack on this thing and everything is still really chrome and nice looking.
Died, dude. This thing is so quiet. I straight up thought it died right there. I'm like, is it still running? Oh, dude. Feels pretty good, yeah.
Sun, yes.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna call that one a success, man.
Yeah.
And we made it back on the 8-mile cruise. Success, my friend. The old Limited didn't let down. That's why Jeeps are good. That's why Jeeps are good.
I like Jeeps.
Yeah. No, I do too. I've always liked Jeeps. I've owned one. I had a CJ2A, 48. There's Parker right out front here.
I know,
You
right?
can give her a wash job if you want, man. But yeah, check the shop. We made her back. 8-mile journey. Now will it let me out? Oh, it let me out.
Stiffs.
The road really nice too. Everything looks good. Oh, windows going up. Hell yeah, guys, that was a success. The old Jeep Limited made it on the road again after 24 years. That's a long time. It's badass. Peace.